Hello, good people. How's it going? Welcome to day 22 of our daily Python test. Today we have quite a long challenge to solve here. For our challenge, we're going to be creating a function named validate, and validate is going to take in a code. This code is going to be presented as a string, and it's going to be its only parameter. And just like the name, our function is going to check for all these things. It's going to check for these conditions, and if all those conditions are met, then it's going to return true. Then they said something interesting here. They say, here comes the twist: your solution must return true when validating itself. Well, let's tackle this one after the other. First things first, we create our function called validate, and then it takes in one parameter. The same parameter is going to be code, so let's just call it code. Then now we start. We say if def not in code, then we return missing def. Then we go to the next one. They say the code must contain the colon symbol, otherwise return missing colon. So let's just see how this goes. If colon not in code, return missing colon. Then we also check if this is the third one. The code must contain this and this for the parameter list, otherwise return missing paren. So let's do that. So we say if this not in code or this not in code, return missing paren. Then we also say, okay, the code must not contain an empty parenthesis. So we say if in code, return missing param. Then they say the code must contain 4 spaces for indentation, otherwise return missing indent. So if 1 2 3 4 not in code, return missing indent. Then the next thing they said, the code must contain validate, otherwise return wrong name. So say if validate not in code, return wrong name. Then the next one is say the code must contain a return statement. So you say if return not in code, return missing return. So I think this is so far everything that they asked us to do. Okay, the last they say if all these conditions are satisfied, your code should return true. So let's return true. Return true. What this means is if none of these if statements are fired up, then our code should safely return true. Alright, time to see what our hard work looks like. Let's run this code. Run code. Let's submit answer. Okay, they say wrong submission. Your submission was not accepted. What is the problem? But return missing param. Okay, I think I get what they're talking about. Let's check their hints. Let's get a hint. Your code somewhere, perhaps in a line such as this. To get past this, find some clever workaround to still check for this without using the literal string. Okay, I think I know how we can get around this. Obviously, this line is what is causing us the problem with our code. So to fix this, we're going to use regular expressions. So first off, let's import regular expressions. In Python, regular expressions just re. So here now, instead of us using this, we're going to use let's use this regular expression search, and then we pass in our regular expression, and our regular expression is we're looking for a parenthesis. Let me just put this here so that you see this is what we're looking for. So in regular expressions, first off, we want to put our this side of the expression, then we also want to wrong slash, this is this side of this, and then we also check for empty space. Now to check for empty spaces, this is how you check for empty spaces when writing regular expressions. So then this, now this is the same as this first one. This here is for the first side of the parenthesis. This is for the empty space, this S with the asterisk, and then this other side, this last part, is for the other side of the parenthesis. I'm sure there are tons of YouTube videos explaining regular expressions and all, and if you want me to create a video about regular expressions, please tell me in the comment section below and I will do a video about that. Well, okay, let's now see if this works, because obviously I think that was our problem and this is how I could go around it. This is our workaround. So let's see if this has worked. Okay, still they say we have a problem. Search missing one. Oh, so it's supposed to search for it. No, so I have to take this out, this encode, because I'm using search. I forgot to take that out. So yeah, now it's going to be, let me explain this line a little bit more. It said if this regular expression search, if it don't find it, then it would return missing param. If it finds it, okay, fine. Then if it finds it, then it's going to return missing param. If it doesn't find it, then it continue with code. So what this is, this search here, this search method takes in two parameters. This first one, the regular expression you're trying to search for, and then where you're trying to search for it. It's similar to what we did here. So it's if this not in code or this in code, things like that. So this code now we have to pass it in here so that it searches for it. Now that is done, I'm sure there's another way around this, so knock yourselves out. If you have another way around this, I'd really love to see it. Please comment it in the comment section below. Now let's just run this. Submit answer. I think where the problem is coming from is this right here. I was just trying to illustrate something, but our code is checking for this, so that kind of spoiled our code. So let's just run this again and see if this works. Yes, we finally passed the challenge. So thanks for being here today. If you don't understand something, please drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer it. If you're watching this months later or years later, still drop your question and I'm going to still answer it. So remember to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell icon so that you don't get to miss tomorrow's challenge. See you all tomorrow. Bye.